Friends, welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to start properties of subtraction of decimal numbers. Our first property is when I subtract 0 from 3.85, I will have an answer 3.85. And again, if 11.635 minus 0, it will be 11.635. This is the first property, that when 0 is subtracted from any decimal number, answer is the number itself. The second property is when a decimal number is subtracted from itself. 3.85 minus 3.85 or 11.635 minus 11.635, the answer is always 0. This is the second property of subtraction, and with these two properties we will now start worksheet 5. Start worksheet 5, which is at page number 95 of our book. This worksheet we will do in book only. Okay. Complete the following. 2.65 minus 0. So our first property, when 0 is subtracted from any number, answer is the number itself. C part is 11.8 minus dash, so that the answer is the number itself, so 0 should be subtracted. And F part is 25 minus 593 minus dash, so that we could get the answer 0. It means the same number will be subtracted. The remaining three parts of worksheet 5 will you do on your own. This completes our worksheet 5. After this, let's start worksheet 6, word problems, at page number 96 of our book. First question is, Raju got rupees 60 as pocket money from his father. He spent rupees 16.50 on ice cream. How much money is left with him? The total money Raju has is given. He has spent this amount of money, and now we have to find that how much money is left. To find the left amount, what will we do? We will subtract the spent money from the total money. So how will we do this? Total money Raju got rupees 60. Spent on ice cream is rupees 16.50. Here one thing is different, that there is no point in 60, so we will add the point in the last and then add two zeros. Okay, then subtract to find the money left. 0 minus 0 0, 10 minus 5 5 after borrowing, then 9 minus 6 3, 5 minus 1 4. Don't forget to write rupees before the answer, so the answer is rupees 43.50. B part of the question is, Mrs. Renu bought 2.750 liters of milk. She used 1.5 liters milk for making curd. Find the quantity of milk left. The same as we did in first question, that total quantity of milk is given, used milk is given. How will we find the left milk? By subtraction. Okay, this question you will do on your own. Now C part of the question is, Rahul weighs 52.525 kilogram. His brother weighs 4.5 kilogram less than Rahul. Find the weight of his brother. Here the weight of Rahul is given this, and his brother's weight is this kilogram less than him. So what will be the weight of his brother? Here weight of Rahul is 52.525 kilogram. His brother's weight less than him is 4.5 kilogram. So to find the weight of his brother, we will subtract it, and before subtraction just fill the vacant places with 0, and then 5 minus 0 5, 2 minus 0 2, 5 minus 5 0, then 12 minus 4 8, and 4 minus 4 minus 0 4. It's 48.025 kilogram is the weight of his brother. Let's move to next part. B part of the question is, Amit travelled a distance of 15.5 kilometers. if he traveled 12.400 kilometers by bus and rest by scooter. Find the distance covered by scooter. Here, the total distance traveled by a boy Amit is given, and out of which traveled by bus is given, and the remaining distance which is traveled by scooter is to be find out. So we will subtract the total minus traveled by bus. This question you will do on your own. Now, E part of the question is, Neha saw a doll in the showcase of a shop. The cost of the doll was rupees 175. She wanted to buy it, but she had rupees 4.50 less than the cost of the doll. How much money did Neha have? Here, in this question, a girl Neha who saw a doll in the showcase of a shop, the cost of the doll was this, and she wanted to buy it, but when she counted her money, she had 4.50 less than the cost of the doll. So we need to find how much money did Neha have, means the total cost minus the money which was less with Neha, that will be the money in actual Neha have. So how will we do this question? Simply write cost of doll is rupees 175. Less money Neha have is rupees 4.50. Total money Neha have means we will subtract, but before subtraction add point and zeros, the sign of minus, and then subtract. It's 0, 0, then 0 minus 0, 10 minus 5, 4 minus 4, then 7, and then 1. It means the total money Neha have is rupees 170.50. After worksheet 6, let's start value-based question of the chapter. Inter-school art competition was being organized in Riya's school. Her teacher divided the children into groups of 3 each. Riya, Smita and Meena were in one group. Riya was made the team leader. They all decided to bring certain ribbons of different colors for making a showpiece. Riya decided Smita would bring 4.5 meter of red ribbon. Meena would bring 3.65 meter yellow ribbon, and she herself would get 5.08 meter of blue ribbon. All three then brought the required material and made a beautiful showpiece. Riya's team won the competition and all 3 girls were very happy. Now, what is given in the question? That for a competition, 3 girls, Riya, Meena and Smita, bought ribbon of different colors and made a beautiful showpiece with those ribbons and won the competition. Now here question asked is, what was the total length of ribbons brought by the team? We have given length of red ribbon is 4.5 meter, length of yellow ribbon is this, length of blue ribbon is this. We need to find the total length of ribbon. We all know to find the total of something, we just add. So this addition you will do on your own. Come to the second question. Mention any 2 situations where you have worked as a team in the school. So you can mention any 2 situations, whether in class show or in inter-club any competition, inter-club dance competition, group song, group dance, whatever you want to mention. You can mention any 2 situations where you have worked as a team in the school. Okay. Come to third question. How do you feel working in a team? So, how do you feel? Undoubtedly, you will feel very happy. So, you will write, I feel very happy. This value-based question, all the parts you will do on your own. Your homework is complete worksheet 5, 6 and value-based question of unit 6. Thank you.